From boring screen share to alluring screen flair by adding movement to your content and making it your background. What's the difference? The spotlight stays on you. You can interact with your content. How cool is that? Just like in the movies, movement and scene changes will help keep your audience's attention, which in turn drives engagement and memorability. The biggest difference? Sizzle. Audiences learn more when they're having fun. Everything you just saw was done using software you already have. That was done in PowerPoint. Here's how. First, you're going to create your content in PowerPoint or other presentation software. Then, add some movement using animations, videos, and dynamic transitions. Once all your content is in, rehearse your slides to your speech to automate the timing. Next, save the automated show to a video format. If you prefer, you can display your video in a frame like this. In Zoom, I'm going to show you how. Finally, add the final video to your Zoom virtual backgrounds. That's it. It's actually that simple. Did you know PowerPoint could do all that? Here's the secret sauce. With these 5 features I'm going to show you, you will be looking like the genius that you are. Design ideas, morph transitions, animations, rehearse timings, save as and embedding video, and save as to convert to video. All the title slides of this presentation were created using design ideas. This feature is intuitive, based on your content, be it text, images, objects, or media. Look at the suggestions that it makes based on the input. When you're making a selection, go for movement. It adds life to your content. Those rotating graphics, not magic. Morph. Duplicate the slide that you want to move. Shift those elements around to a different position on the second slide, and then apply the transition morph to your second slide, and voila. Yep, that easy. Animations can be used to add any number of dynamic effects to your text, shapes, or images. I used the transparency and the resize animations in this presentation. You're not truly automated until your background video is timed perfectly to your message. To achieve this, rehearse timings feature. From the slideshow, select rehearse timings, start your presentation in full screen mode, rehearse your script while sliding through your slides, and once you get the timing right, save it. PowerPoint will now run your deck as a show. Now convert your show to video. That's a basic save as command. Select a video format. Zoom uses MP4. If you want your presentation to show in a window like this, instead of full screen, start with a new blank PowerPoint file. Format it with an image of the background you'd like to use. Select the video you just created. Resize it, reposition it, put a nice frame around it. Change the playback parameters to play automatically. Then repeat the save as MP4 with a new file name. But you're not done until you get it into Zoom. To use your video as a virtual background in Zoom, go to your Zoom settings, backgrounds and filters. Go to the plus sign, but instead of selecting add image, you'll choose add video. Use your Explorer to select your video, and once you have, your video will appear in the window. And then you're good to go. In the handout that I've put in the chat, you'll find all of this broken down into 3 steps for you. Now that you have a new bag of tricks, you can go forth and wow. Madam Toastmaster.
I made this.